Alright, hi everyone. So here I am back to you with a shoulder workout. So let's start with some lateral raises to warm up those shoulders. So our first variation here is lateral raises using a dumbbell. This variation is to focus primarily on your medial head of your shoulder. Start with a less weight until you get warmed up. So here I am increase the weight and hitting 10 to 12 reps with maximum of weight. Make sure you hit 3 to 4 sets of each variation. Don't use your body to bring the dumbbell upwards. Use your shoulders and arms to lift the dumbbell and make sure the impact is on your shoulder the whole movement. So our second variation here is Arnold dumbbell press. There is a slight difference between the regular dumbbell press and Arnold dumbbell press. This movement is used to activate the overall shoulder. In a regular dumbbell press, your front delt will be activated more, whereas in the Arnold dumbbell press, which we are performing now, it helps in activating the three heads of your shoulder muscle. And this variation is invented by Arnold back in 1960s. So third variation here is rope raises using a cable. The main purpose of this variation is for activating the front deltoids, which is the front portion of your shoulder. Always keep in mind to have a perfect form. In this variation, you can't actually lift some heavy weight, so stick to a light weight and perform 12 reps easy. Make sure you don't hurt yourself while performing this variation. So our fourth variation here is upright rows using a barbell. Make sure you observe my form properly and perform it in the same manner. If you observe my form properly, I am bringing the barbell upwards to my chest level but not to my shoulder level. The purpose of it is to activate more of your medial head of your shoulder but not your traps. So our fifth variation here is rope face pulls. The purpose of this variation is to activate the back portion of your shoulder, which is the rear deltoid. Make sure you adjust the cable height according to your height and pull towards your face. So in this angle, you can see properly the muscle I am activating here is my rear deltoids, which is the back portion of your shoulder. The rope face pulls is a great variation to activate those rear deltoids. So our final variation here is machine shoulder press. This is a great variation to activate all the three heads of your shoulder, which is the front, medial and rear. If your gym doesn't have this equipment, you can use a barbell press instead, or you can use a machine that is available at your gym. This is a complete shoulder workout focusing on each and every head of your shoulder for the full and maximum development of your shoulder muscle. This is it guys, we are done for the day. Make sure you have your protein shake or post workout meal.